Hi, I'm Claire Slater, Deputy Director of Student Services here at the University of Bristol.
Hello, my name's Charlotte Randomly. I'm the Mentally Healthy Universities Project Coordinator for Bristol Mind.
These workshops are part of a range of proactive activities that we're planning and delivering at the university with students and staff. Workshops are student-led, student co-created, and most importantly, they're practical, all about learning new skills.
When you come to these workshops, you're going to get a whole host of really practical skills to help you navigate through university life and also to move beyond university life into the workplace. Four words to describe this project: student-led, innovative, practical and fun. We already know that the University of Bristol are doing some really good things to encourage staff wellbeing and student wellbeing here. We're hoping that this pilot is going to really enhance that offer and be something that we can carry forward for future years.
These workshops are part of a bigger piece of proactive work that we are developing here at the university, an ongoing piece of work on which we're really committed to. This is one of our big priorities moving forward.